Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here, and welcome to my latest one exercise fat burning workout. Now, for those people who don't know anything about these workouts, it's basically one exercise, but because it's a big compound movement that combines cardio and weight training and a lot of muscle groups, it basically becomes a workout by itself. And these types of workouts and exercises are perfect if you're looking to burn fat right there at home. So let's get straight into this exercise, and then afterwards I will talk about the workout structure so you know exactly how to use this exercise to get the best possible results. So I call this exercise one-legged side-to-side burpee. So you want to start off on the one side of the mat in a plank position, and then you want to lift up one of your legs. Then you're going to go down into a push-up position and then push yourself up into a one-legged burpee. Jump over to the other side on your one leg, go back down, do a burpee, and then push yourself back up and jump to the other side. And that is basically the exercise all done. Let me just make some space for me here, and then I'm going to show you full speed how fast you would do this, but obviously work at your own rate. But I just want to show you the pace that you want to work at to do it properly. Let's go. Lift your one leg up and then down, out, in, jump to the other side, down, out, in, other side, down, out, in. This one is going to get your heart rate up like crazy. So there you go. Yes, this one is a little bit advanced, but it's so much fun, guys. And like I've mentioned, we're doing weight training, cardio workouts, you're doing functional fitness, you're improving your balance, etc., etc. So a nice overall conditioning exercise. So what's the best way to do these type of exercises and workouts? The simplest one, guys, is just to do some type of interval training. So if you want to go with the sort of Tabata, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, you go for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your own fitness level, and that's your workout all done. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Click on the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And until the next one, remember, have fun out there and keep it simple.